Steatite is popularly known as soapstone. It is commonly used for very intricate carvings. It is a metamorphic rock rich in talc and magnesium. The Harappan civilization used steatite to make weights, inscribed seals and tablets. But the most important work that has come down to us is this so-called priest king.
Now the next technology that I would like to talk about is the ceramic technology, which has been divided into 4 basic categories: terracotta, the stoneware technology, faience and refractory ceramics. Now depending on the nature of products, these are further divided into some categories and subcategories. The various products would range from pottery, figurines, ornaments, tools, architectural components, etc. Now if you look at the pottery of Harappan system, then you see that there is a wide diversity, various regional styles tied with some coherent essential Harappan feature. These have been subjected to very detailed and incisive analysis by archaeologists. Similarly, stoneware bangle production has also been studied, and you come across these rare exquisite pieces of bangles. Refractory ceramics is something that is, this technology is very useful for steatite technology, for pottery making, for faience production and metallurgy. And these understanding refractory ceramics has wider socio-economic implications for the Harappan system.
Faience is a conventional name in English for fine tin glazed pottery on a delicate pale buff body. Faience has attained the status of a precious stone. Though it involves a rather high level of technology, the Harappan civilization seemed to have mastered it.
Now there are a lot of fine spots, but very few of these places where faience was made, mainly at Lothal, Chanhudaro and Mohenjo-daro. Obviously that signifies that the implication is that it was a complex technology and could only be made at a few places. Now the last aspect of the craft traditions that I would like to dwell on is lithics. Although we are having so many metal products, you're having terracotta and so on and so forth, but Harappans did not lose sight of lithics. They did not, lithics still formed an important component of the Harappan craft technology.
Chert is a fine-grained silica-rich sedimentary rock. It comes in various colors, but grey, brown and rusty brown are very common. It was used by ancient civilization for making tools.
So you come across stone chert tools, chipped and ground stools to be used in subsistence activities and activities of craft and technology when such tools did not suffice. So these would range from unmodified flakes, blades, cutting tools, then various components of sickles, drills, etc. Now, what are the various implications that we are finding from the recent studies? Recently, chert manufacturing debris has been found from an area called the Rohri, and that is giving us some insight into the chert manufacturing process. Then the recent studies of Khambat bead making also show some of the tools, lithic tools, which were used in this manufacturing. Then recent excavations of Harappan carried out in 1994 have revealed certain areas in Harappa from where these chert manufacturing debris and some finished goods were collected. So these have great implications to understand the lithic industry.